Test. 1, 2.
Microphone checker 1, 2, 1, 2.
Test. Hi, I'm Justin.
And I'm Judy.
And together we are
Cruising with Judy. Cruise with me, baby.
We found parking. We're gonna go walk over there and show you guys the Queen Mary a little bit, and then show you how close the Queen Mary is to the cruise ports, and you can see where everybody's getting on the cruise ship.
Every stuffs.
You say every stuffs?
Yeah.
That's English?
Every stuffs.
What are you for?
I only 3 years old. He made me this way.
Don't forget, we're cruising with Cuckoo. All right, we'll be back. The Queen Mary here. And again, right back here. So you see it's a very industrial port. Long Beach is one of the largest shipping ports in the United States. I think Long Beach and San Pedro are a couple of the biggest ones. But here's the Queen Mary. And
there she blows.
Facts about the Queen Mary. Queen Mary is actually was larger than the Titanic. So I know as a kid when we came down here, I always thought this was the Titanic.
I know.
Or pretended like it was the Titanic. But currently, like I said, they have a Halloween thing going on here. Haunted maze and haunted maze and scary stuff. So some of you guys are coming down for the cruise in October. This goes on from September 20th until September 20th, which was yesterday, all the way until November 2nd. So all the way until November 2nd. So if you're down here in between that time, you can come and do the Halloween stuff here, which we will not be doing. So there is the Carnival Forenzi here today in port. Now, Forenza.
Or is it Forenzia? I can't
Forenzia is the Carnival Italian
Forenza.
ship. Now, when we come and cruise next month, we will be cruising on the Carnival Radiance. So we'll be cruising, which used to be the Carnival Victory. So we'll be cruising on the Carnival Radiance. So here's the second area, like I said, where you would have somebody drop you off and walk over to the cruise port from here. So yeah, there is the.
Go to the trash.
There is the Queen Mary.
This is where he surprised me on the cruise.
Oh, hi, Mama Bar. Say hi. You excited? Yeah. It's our 5-year anniversary, and we're gonna go stay in the Queen Mary for our vacation. You excited about that? Really? Would you be more excited if I told you we're not going to Queen Mary? We're going on a 4-day cruise aboard the Carnival cruise ship. Here, you want to pull that out of that bag?
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Yep.
Oh my God,
We leave today. We come back on Friday.
Thank you, baby. How'd you get that one from me? Oh my God!
Happy anniversary, Mama.
Happy anniversary.
So, but here's again. So, right there, and you see that big black thing there. That's actually like the elevator or the stairs to get up when you're going to the hotel, because it's now a hotel. And then right over here, if you look right there, you can see the people who are dropping their bags off and stuff for the cruise ship. So it's that close, guys. It's that close.
Not even a 5-minute walk.
Not even a 5-minute walk, unless you walk really, really slow. And then it might be a 10-minute walk. Right? If you hear heavy breathing, it's just me. We're not being chased.
Oops, sorry.
So currently you got people getting off the ship, people getting on the ship. We're going to walk around to the other side where where most people get dropped off at. Again, this is a better option. So tell your Uber driver, drop you off here, and then you can walk through. And you don't have to deal with the hustle and bustle. And most Uber or Lyft or whatever driver taxis that you're going to get will bring you here instead. So here's actually the little haunted village and everything that they have going on for that. And people getting off the ships. Off the ship, yeah. This is where they're going to catch any shuttle buses they have. So if you booked ground transportation to the airport from the cruise through Carnival, this is where you'll get the buses. So these are the buses. These are buses coming in from the airport. And so if you're taking the Carnival ground transportation from the airport, this is where the buses will bring you. If you're going back to the to the airport, this is where you'll get the buses going to either LAX.
All this luggage is going on the ship.
Either LAX or the Long Beach. And then see all this luggage, yeah. Is either getting on the ship or I think this is getting on the ship.
Yeah, it's getting on the ship.
So they have all these tags on it.
With today's date on it, so they're going on the ship.
So here's the big parking structure. If you're parking here, you'll be parking in this parking structure here, and then checking in. We'll show you down here where the porters are that you're going to give your bags to if you want to. You can also walk your bags on. But if you like, you can give your bags to the porters here. So there's not that many people out here today. Usually it's a lot more crowded.
They're in line.
I think this ship is a smaller ship. It is. What time right now?
After
It's
one.
About 1:05. So people probably got off the ship around 10, 11. There's probably still some people getting off, but we'll show you that. At least now out here, you can look for a porter. The porters have on these vests here. They're all union members. They're all longshoremen. So if you're a union supporter, make sure that you come on here and see a porter, give them your bags, give them a little bit of a tip, and make sure your tags are on your bags, and the next time you see your bags is in your cabin or in your room, right? If you're renting a mobility scooter, the rentals are here. You usually reserve it in advance. And look, so rent it, you have the price in there. $297 to rent it for for the whole week of the cruise. But you'll come in here, this is where you drop it off, and this is where you pick it up at. Right in here for your mobility scooters. So you see everybody is waiting to board. Everybody out here waiting to board. And there's a lot of people out here. Let me show you. Over here also, there are restrooms out here. So
And there's a long line.
There's a long line for the restroom. Did you want to wait in it?
No.
Okay, so there are restrooms right here, outside. I don't know if they're just not letting people in yet. Usually this line is not like, oh, you know what might happen to them?
What?
They might not be getting off the ship yet.
Oh.
It might be delayed getting off, and that's why
Possibly
they're delaying
why
getting off.
everybody's still out here.
Yeah. We're going to walk around the other side and show you what's over here. I'm hoping it's not going to be like this. It's usually not like this. We usually come in, and we're able to get right on. Looks like they have late arrival times, too. I'm looking at the signs. The arrival times say 1:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30. So they might not be boarding the ship until after 1 o'clock. So they may have not even started boarding. That's what it looks like to me. Again, there's a thing there in the background. So let's show you, this is where you would enter the terminal here. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here today. So here's where you would enter. And again, it looks like they have not even opened up yet. So 1:30 looks like the earliest arrival time I see. Yeah, so it looks like they have not even started yet. So it looks like the earliest I see is 1:30. So the ship they're just not letting people in. So that is where you will enter. We're not here at the port. It looks like nobody has boarding yet, or they're just now starting to start the boarding process. So which means that they're just now starting to go inside this building here to check in for the ship. We want to show you this while we're here. Right behind us here, if you see, there is a little stand, a little shop, if you will, where they have all kind of little souvenirs, hats, or things that you may need for your cruise. Right?
Hats, sunglasses, sundresses, hair clips that you may have forgotten, sunscreen. It's a little more expensive on the ship to buy it there. But bags, you name it, they got it.
All right, I'm going to have Judy, let's walk through there, and Judy can show you some of the stuff they have.
So we're smack in the middle of a little pop-up shop here at the Long Beach Cruise Port to get all the needed necessities that you may need last minute or that you may have forgotten. From jewelry to shoes. Ladies, you know, we need our water bottles. There you have it. Sunglasses, even the little, for your sunglass holders, yeah. Tags for your bags, hats, t-shirts, lanyards, toothbrush, sunscreen, you name it.
They have the magnets here. And the little pouches, waterproof pouches for your phone, flip-flop sunglasses, all your hats here. Captain's hats, California hats.
And they're pretty reasonably priced compared to what you would pay on
That's
the
a cool
ship.
hat. $18 for LA hat. And maybe I need you to help me hook that back on because I just took it off. I'm one-handed here. Captain's hats are pretty cool. I like to wear captain's hats on the cruise. I might have to get a captain's cap like that though. I don't have one of those. All right, pretty cool stuff. And again, pineapple lights, just in case you wonder. We do have some playing cards and deodorant. Oh, here's keychains right here.
Oh, there you go.
Collect keychains. $4 a piece.
And this is a cash only pop-up, so just so you know, cash only. And those are the lovely ladies of the pop-up shops.
There you go. I need to have asked about ordering some Amazon. Judy, you okay?
Yeah, sorry. My hands are dry.
Ordering some Amazon to have it delivered here to the cruise port so you can get your Amazon before you get on the ship so you don't have to travel with it. So right here behind me are Amazon lockers. So these are the Amazon lockers right here at the cruise port where you can come, have your stuff delivered here, come pick it up at the Amazon locker before you get on the cruise ship. Amazon lockers. The name of the Amazon locker here is Wilford. Okay, AmazonLocker.com, Wilford. So you're going to have it delivered here to Wilford, Amazon locker, Wilford. You would come over here and you would tap the screen. You tap the screen and you would put in your code off that Amazon gives you for your locker, or you could scan. I believe you got a barcode on. You can scan it there, and then one of the lockers will pop open, and you can retrieve your delivered merchandise right here at the cruise port, right before you get on the ship. And again, the ship is right there, right here in the parking lot, right in the parking lot. That's where those lockers are. You can get stuff shipped to prior to getting on the ship. All right, back to following Judy. Hey, and if you don't feel like walking from here to your hotel, you can get one of these scooters with your luggage.
Roll your luggage while you drive the scooter.
Right. Okay. So for me and Judy, that's Judy. Say something, Judy.
Something, Judy.
For me and Judy, we just want to say thank you for watching. We hope that we share some information. We hope that you got something out of the video. And please like and subscribe. Anything you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And we hope you see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Then what? Gotta tell me where you're going.
Back to the parking lot.
Oh. Back to the parking lot. You think you're cool? That's not how you dance. You're not even on the cruise. You're in the parking lot.
See, when you're getting on the cruise, and you're going. Man, what was that back there?
See, I got fans. Am I embarrassing you?
No, not at all. The back of Judy's head. That's why I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna change the name of the show, the channel, from Cruising with Judy to Cruising with the back of Judy's head.
Who's Juicy?
Juicy.
Who's Juicy?
Cruising with Judy.
I'll fight Juicy.
I'm gonna change the name from Cruising with Judy to Cruising with the back of Judy's head.
Is my curls on point? No.
All my videos are like this. All my videos of me following you. I just want to tell you something. Stop.